Hi beautifuls, in today's video I finally get around to using this beautiful little palette by Natasha Denona, and it is the mini Metropolis palette. It is $25 US and it came with a little brush as well, which I actually forgot to use today, but never mind, it did come paired with an eyeshadow brush. And I have been dying to use it, finally got to use it today. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look using this cute little palette, do keep watching. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ange and I like to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman. I also do have lots of eyeshadow tutorials aimed at hooded eyes, as I have hooded downturned eyes and also mature eyes, and I do a lot of eyeshadow tutorials because my love and makeup would have to be eyeshadows. So if you are interested in videos like that and you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below. I would love to see you back. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you really do enjoy it, and if you want to be notified each time I do upload a video, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that YouTube does let you know. Natasha Denona, I really love her palettes. I find they are brilliant for a bit of a vavoom with the metallics and the sparkles, but her mattes are absolutely brilliant for everyday eye looks as well. I have quite a few Natasha Denona palettes, and one of my favorites are the mini palettes. These retail for $25 US and are a beautiful way of getting luxurious makeup or luxurious eyeshadows at a really affordable price. I think $25 for this quality of eyeshadows is amazing. Now, I never picked up the full-size Metropolis palette, and after using this today, I'm gutted that I never did get my hands on it, because this is awesome. I love these. This is something different to what I have in my eyeshadow collection. Love the colors, really enjoyed creating this look today, and yeah, wished I'd got the big version now, but never mind. Hopefully somewhere along the line she may re-release it for a short time. We'll see. If it does, I'll have to pounce. So without further ado, let's see how I created this eyeshadow look. I have actually been dying to get into this little palette, so I'm going to go in with the shade here, Corrode, with my Morphe 504 brush, and I am just going to pop that all over the eye, upper brow bone and right in the corner here. If I start sweating, it's because it's really muggy today. My thermostat is so off whack at the moment. One minute I'm frozen, the next minute I am so hot it's not funny, and I don't know what to do with myself. So things are a wee bit awry at the moment. Okay, so that is the shade Corrode. Now I'm going to go in with the shade, I think it says Rope. It's a very mustardy shade, and I'm just going to take that into the outer corner and into the socket line. Right into the inner corner as well, and into the inner socket, and then just blending it upwards and outwards. I feel really different with my short hair. Guys, leave me a comment down below what you think of the short hair. It probably won't be here anymore by the end of next week. but it was a good chance to see what I thought of a really short cropped hairdo. Was getting it cut before the chemo starts. I actually really like that shade. It reminds me of a couple of shades I used to use years ago, one called Kid by MAC, and there was a shade in Makeup Geek I used to use a lot as well. These are blending beautifully, really easy to blend, just not going in patchy, not too over pigmented, but pigmented enough to make it really easy to blend. Okay, I'm going to go in with a Wayne Goss number 17 brush, and I'm going to take this darker shade, which is, if I can read it, it's so hard to read, Bolay. And that I am just going to concentrate in my outer corner. I actually really like these shades. They're not warm, they are quite grungy. And I am just concentrating that in that outer portion of the eye. I'm going to run it underneath. Now I could stop here for an everyday eye look if I just wanted to stick to the mattes. It's awesome. It's another thing I'm having to get used to, is not having very nice nails. I'm not allowed to have acrylics or gel polish on whilst having chemo. Your nails are made up of keratin, the same as your hair, and as I am definitely going to lose my hair, there is actually a risk of getting an infection and losing my nails as well. Some people's nails turn black and then fall off, and so they don't want you doing anything to your nails to risk infection. So I'm having to just put up with my poor nails that are a bit hatted after having years of acrylics. But now's a good time to be having a complete change in things. I really like that shade. It's quite a black brown. Very cool. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M126 brush, a very small detailed flat brush, and I'm going in with this beautiful peacock green, and I'm adding that to the outer portion of my eye over the dark brown. Sort of regretting not ever buying that Metropolis palette. Okay, going in with another flat shading brush. This is a Sephora Pro number 14 brush. I'm going to go in with the gold shade at the front, and I'm going to pop that in the front part of the eyelid and blending that into the green. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Going back in with the little brush that had the green on it and just feathering that in, blending it with the gold. back in with the brush that we used with the brown and just blending the edges on the outside with that green. I'm just going backwards and forwards with my brushes just so that I'm softening any harsh lines. That's so cool. Okay, I'm going to go back in with this mustardy shade and the Morphe 504, and I'm just going to add to our socket line, blending those shades. Wow, I'm really enjoying these colours. They are so different for me to what I've been using lately. As I said, they are shades that I used to wear. Just blending that in. I'm going to run that again under the under eye. Now, an eyeliner that I've been dying to use has been my Charlotte Tilbury, what is it called? Magic Liner Duo, and I got it in the green shades. So I'm going to do the green matte in my waterline and lash line on the top. Never used any of Charlotte's eyeliners before, but I've been dying to use this pencil with this palette. And then I'm going to use the metallic shade on the lash line on the bottom lashes. I might actually go on the waterline as well. It's a good combination. Very good combination. Okay guys, I'm going to pop off and put, I'm going to duck off camera and put lashes on and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that is the eye look with lashes and under eye mascara. I don't actually think I need to titivate too much with it. I think the eye look is really, really stunning. I am actually quite disappointed I never did get the Metropolis palette, because these shades are stunning. Very, very nice. Money well spent. I love the Natasha Denona mini eyeshadow palettes. I think for $25 US, they are a brilliant price. You get fantastic quality shadows in these palettes, and they are a good way for you to sample the beautiful quality of Natasha Denona. Of Natasha Denona. I really do like this eyeshadow look, and it's a shame that I haven't had time to get round to playing with this. It's a good time of the year for me to bust this palette out, and I will try and reach for it a little bit more over the next wee bit. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and you did enjoy that, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. I'd love to see you back. As I said, future videos are going to be random. I am just going to film when I can, when I'm feeling healthy. I am going to try and film over the next couple of days just to have a backup. I start chemo on Friday, so I have been told I'll be quite ill next week, so there'll be no filming happening next week. Then apparently On the second week, I will be starting to improve, and then I will feel better on the third week, and then get another round of chemo. So maybe in that third week I will do batch filming so that I've got something to go up on those off weeks when I'm not feeling very well. I will keep you updated with random update videos just to let you know how I'm going, because so many of you are just so caring and thoughtful and are wanting to know what's happening, so I'll try to do that. And in the meantime, I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, guys, and I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later. Bye.